Welcome all to the lecture series of vector integration. Today we are going to see some examples on vector integration. Vector integration on the topic Gauss divergence theorem. Now first example is prove that double integral over s phi into del psi minus psi into del phi dot ds it is equal to triple integral over v phi into del square psi minus psi into del square phi into dv. Now first, what is Gauss divergence theorem? Gauss divergence theorem is double integral over s f dot n cap ds. It is equal to triple integral over v del dot f dv. Now same result we want to prove here, double integral over s and triple integral over v. So what is f? Here instead of n cap dot ds we can write ds bar also. So instead of n cap dot ds we can write ds bar. What is f vector? F vector we got, it is equal to phi into del psi minus psi into del phi. Now what we want? Del dot f. So to get del dot f, del dot f, apply del dot on both the side, del dot phi del psi minus del dot psi del phi. Now del dot phi del psi, use standard result which is del dot phi into u, which is equal to del phi dot u plus phi into del dot u. Use the standard result. So it is equal to, by using that result, del phi dot del psi minus plus phi into del dot del psi minus del psi dot del phi plus psi into del dot del phi. So it is equal to del phi dot del psi plus phi into del dot del psi is del square psi minus del psi dot del phi plus psi into del square phi. Now this del phi del psi, this get cancelled. Remaining is, because dot product is commutative, del psi dot del phi is nothing but del phi dot del psi. So this is equal to phi into del square psi minus psi into del square phi. This is the value of del dot f. Substitute in Gauss divergence theorem. So left hand side is double integral over s f. F is given as phi del psi minus psi del phi dot ds bar. It is equal to triple integral over v del dot f. Del dot f is phi del square psi minus psi del square phi dv. So this is the result which we want. Here we substitute f value, which is phi del psi minus psi del phi. So del dot f we obtained it as phi del square psi minus psi del square phi. So we got the original result. Prove that is double integral over s phi del psi minus psi del phi dot ds bar, it is equal to triple integral over v phi del square psi minus psi del square phi into dv. Next example is evaluate double integral over s f dot n cap ds, where f is equal to x cube I plus y cube j plus z cube k, and s is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. Now to evaluate this, here what is s? S is the surface of the sphere. Surface of the sphere means, I already told you in Gauss divergence theorem, surface of the sphere, suppose assume that this is a sphere. Now sphere, it has a total curved surfaces. So if we want to evaluate this f dot n cap ds, we require n cap. f is already given. So to get n cap, this is completely a curved surface. Now if it is a curved surface, how to find out normal to this surface? Normal will be in x direction, it may be in y direction, or it may be z direction. In any direction we get normal because it is fully curved surface. So it is difficult to find out here n cap. So this example we cannot directly evaluate by f dot n cap ds. Here we want to use Gauss divergence theorem, and we can evaluate it by using triple integral. So by Gauss divergence theorem, double integral over S f dot n cap ds, it is equal to triple integral over v del dot f dv. We cannot find out by left hand side. Why? Because S is a curved surface and it is difficult to find out n cap. So to find out by using right hand side, we require del dot f. So f is given, it is equal to x cube I plus y cube j plus z cube k. Now this is del dot f. Del dot f means dot product of this del with f. So what is the del by del x of x cube? It plus del by del y of y cube plus del by del z of z cube. Because del is del by del xi plus del by del yj plus del by del zk. So del by del x of x cube is 3x square. Del by del y of y cube is 3y square plus del by del z of z cube is 3z square. So 3 is common, it is x square plus y square plus z square. Now we got del dot f. Use this del dot f result in this equation number 1. So double integral over S f dot n cap ds, it is equal to triple integral over v 3 times x square plus y square plus z square dv. Now this is equal to 3 times triple integral over v x square plus y square plus z square multiplied by dv. Now dv is nothing but here dx, dy and dz. Now we want limit for x, y and z, but since it is a sphere, we want to convert this in terms of spherical polar coordinates. So what are the spherical, we transform this variable x, y, z into spherical polar coordinate, that is r, theta and phi. So transform into spherical polar coordinate. So what is the equation? X square plus y square plus z square, it is equal to r square. Then x is equal to r sin theta cos phi. Then y is equal to r sin theta sin phi. And z is equal to r cos theta. Now what is dx, dy, dz? Because we require x square plus y square plus z square, we got it is equal to r square. Then dx, dy, dz also we want. So it is equal to r square sin theta multiplied by dr, d theta and d phi. Now limits for r is from 0 to a, theta is from 0 to pi and phi is from 0 to 2 pi. So what is the radius? It is a square. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. So here radius is a. That's why r limit is from 0 to a. So substitute in this double integral over S del f dot n cap ds, it is equal to 3 times r limits are from r is equal to 0 to a, theta limits are from theta is equal to 0 to pi, and phi limits are from phi is equal to 0 to 2 pi. 3 outside, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and dx, dy, dz is r square sin theta, dr, d theta and d phi. Now see here, all the limits are constant limits, so we can evaluate all the integrals simultaneously. So this is equal to 3 times r is equal to 0 to a, theta is equal to 0 to pi. This is r square into r square r to the power 4 into dr. This is first integral. Then theta is equal to 0 to pi. Theta terms are sine theta into d theta. And then phi is equal to 0 to 2 pi d phi. So evaluate it simultaneously. It is equal to 3 times r to the power 4 integration is r to the power 5 by 5 over the limit 0 to a. Sin theta integration is minus cos theta over 0 to pi, and d phi integration is phi over 0 to 2 pi. This is double integral over s f dot n cap into ds. Now substitute, it is 3 times a to the power 5 by 5, lower limit is 0, minus cos pi, minus minus plus cos 0, and this is 2 pi minus 0. So this is equal to 3 a to the power 5 by 5, cos pi is minus 1, minus with that minus 1 it is plus 1, cos 0 is 1 multiplied by 2 pi. So it is equal to 3 a to the power 5 by 5 multiplied by 1 plus 1 2 into 2 pi is 4 pi. So it is equal to 12 a to the power 5 pi divided by 5. This is the value of double integral over s f dot n cap ds. Thank you.